Boom. Okay. If you take a second to look at this question, we have two equations and we don't even have multiple choice. They're not even giving us something to guess with. We got to enter the right answer. They got two equations and they're asking what's the value. Not only two equations, we got two variables. So whoever wrote this test and this question was having a bad day. However, if we look at it, the X thing is first, the Y thing is second, and the number thing is last. So if we line them up like forks, knives, and spoons, line them up like they're the same, in the same category, and add them together. Let's see what happens. -2 plus 2 is 0. So that just turns to big old 0. +4, or 4, plus a negative, there's a ghost 1 right there. So 4 minus 1 equals 3. Bring the Y down because it's luggage. I forgot the X here, sorry. And that's a positive. 10 minus 1 is a 9er. I'm going to sneeze. Oh, good God.
Whoa, bless you.
I'm back.
Bless you.
Everything's nose still on face. So then we end up with this. It got to, oh, that's a Y, not an X. The sneeze knocked my sense off. There we go. 3 times something equals 9. The way we get rid of times is dividing. Fractions are nothing but division problems. So whatever we do, we either got to throw that down here. Whatever we do to the left, we got to do to the right. Y is saying, why am I alone? You can find out what you're worth. 9 divided by 3 is 3. So I'm going to undo all of this. Oops. I was going to undo all of this. There we go. And then let's look at it again. They gave us two equations with two letters. Okay. So if we can write them and stack them instead of writing them left, right. So that's the first one. This is the second one. And then combine them. So we just add them together. -2 plus 2, 0. 4 minus 1 is 3y. 10 minus 1 is 9. And then that simplifies on down to 3y equals 9er. Get rid of that 3.
Oh, it's 3.
Yep. Throw it in the basement. That cancels out. 9 divided by 3 is 3.
Well, I've been doing so much math. I should know math by now.
Well, these are tricky because when they write them next to each other, it's really hard to see that they slot up into forks, knives, and spoons like that.
Mm-hmm.
So, but it's sort of, I mean, this is where we got to think, you know what? There's about maybe 20 total questions, types of questions. I mean, they end up repeating questions. They don't have a million different versions of questions. This is just one of them. Probably one, maybe 2 times on the test, but probably only one. And that's